Post-workout smoothie is an ideal blend of essential nutrients designed to aid recovery and promote fat burning. This smoothie is crafted to help you recover effectively while advancing your weight loss journey. Ingredients: 1 scoop of high-quality protein powder, preferably plant-based, or whey, and a half cup of Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 cup of mixed berries, raspberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 ripe banana, 1 small apple, cored and chopped 2 cups of fresh spinach or kale, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, water for a lighter option, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds optional, a small piece of fresh ginger for added metabolism boost. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Ensure all fruits and vegetables are thoroughly washed and prepped. Gather the protein powder, yogurt, and almond butter. Blending process. In a high-powered blender, begin by adding the almond milk or water as a base. Follow with the spinach or kale, allowing the greens to blend and break down smoothly. Layer the goodness. Incorporate the mixed berries, banana, and apple into the blender. Add the protein powder, yogurt, almond butter, and chia or flax seeds. Blending time. Blend all the ingredients until the texture is creamy and smooth, with no visible chunks or pieces. Adjust consistency. If the smoothie is too thick, you can add more almond milk or water. If it's too runny, consider adding a few ice cubes or extra frozen fruits to thicken it up. Serve and enjoy. Pour the revitalizing smoothie into a glass. Sip slowly and savor every nutrient-rich gulp. It's best consumed within 15-30 minutes post-exercise to aid recovery. How it works: this post-workout smoothie is designed to help you lose weight by incorporating several key elements. Proteins. The protein source in this smoothie helps with muscle recovery and promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. Fiber. Leafy greens and berries are high in fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Antioxidants. Berries are rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation and support overall health. Healthy fats. Avocado and nut butter provide healthy fats that keep you satisfied and assist in nutrient absorption. Calorie. This smoothie is relatively low in calories but high in nutrients, making it an ideal choice for weight loss. Incorporating a post-workout smoothie into your routine can be a game changer in your weight loss journey, combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet. This smoothie can help you achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a fit and active lifestyle. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.